Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing us how to use the inner join clause in SQL. So I've been able to sketch something. So inner join, this is actually to show what inner join means. Inner join, there are two circles. So there is an intersection between the two circles. This intersection is called the inner join. This intersection. So let me show us another example. So okay, so let's see this. These are two circles again. Circle A, this first circle has 2, 8, 1, 4, 9. So this is the circle. This is the circle that we are talking about. So it has 2, 8, 1, 4, 9. So this circle B, circle B is like this. So this circle B, it has 6, 3, 7, 4, 1. So this is a circle. This is a circle. So this is circle A. So there is an intersection between the two circles. So this is intersection, meaning what is common to both of them. So we can see that 1 is common to both of them, 4 is common to both of them. So this intersection, these values that are common to both of them is what is called inner join in SQL. So we need to write a query. So this circle A will depict a table. Circle B will be another table. So we now want SQL to go through the two tables and bring up for us what is common to both of them. So that is inner join in SQL. So now let's go back to our query. So we'll be using these two data sets, courses and students. Okay, let's actually have a look at our data set first. Select all from students. So let's just look at this. Okay, let's select also from let's copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So let's select all from courses too. So I would like to see both data sets together. Okay, so this is the students. The first one is students, the second one is the courses. So this is students, this is the courses. So now we want to write a query using inner join clause. We want SQL to bring out for us what is common to both of them. And we can see the student ID, both have student ID. Student name is not common to them. The age is not common, the class is not common, the course ID is not common, course name is not common. So the column that is common to both of them. But when we are doing inner join, there must be a column because you have to join based on a column that is common to both of them. So the column that is common to both of them is the student ID. So that is so we're going to join them based on this column. So anytime you are doing any join in you are doing inner join in SQL, you must have a column that is common to both of them. So now we're going to write the query. So select. Let me write it in a simple way. Okay, now I want to bring out the student's name and the student's name, their age. And okay, let's bring out the student ID, student's name, and the course name. So let's go that way. Students. So we are bringing out the student ID from the students, from this first table, which is the students table. So students dot. It should be small letter. Students dot student ID. The student's name from the students table to students dot student's name So we're bringing out the course name from the second table, which is the courses table. So courses dot course name. So the thing about SQL is the first table we are talking about here, from they are writing as from here, is the one on the left. So your first table, that from means this table on the left. This is the left, this is the right. So this table on the left is what you are telling, oh, from this table. So when you say from, that means it's the table on the left. So that is something I wanted you to know too. So so we are using our students table, from students, then inner join. We are not inner join courses on what? Like I said, the column that is common to both of them, on the student ID. So students dot student ID, students dot student ID equals to courses. This is courses table, courses dot student ID, meaning student ID from the courses table. So we're going to change this to courses. Okay, so that's fine. Select student ID. Okay, so we are student ID from this student table, the student name from the student table, the course name from the courses table. So our left table is the students table. We are now joining the courses, which is the right table. Then on students dot student ID, means this student ID from student table equals to courses of student ID from the courses table. So let's run this. Okay, so we can see. So let me run everything together, so that I want us to see everything together. Okay, so we can see now. So it's telling us that okay, so I should pick student ID from the student table. So it's not saying what is common to them. Oh, this is it. Oh, 1 is common to them. 2 is common to them. So you can see both of them, they don't have 5 in common. So it has removed 5. But here we have 2 1. So to bring out the 2 1, because the student ID 2 has 1. So it's bringing it out. So it has removed the details of 5. Student ID 5. Because it's not common to them. So it will give us all details of 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have under the courses ID, we have 2 student ID that we have we have 1 in 2 places. So to bring us all the details of the 1. So now the first one, Alice, the mathematics. So the the number 2, Bob. So the Bob here is science. Then another one again here is English, but the name here is Alice. So it means Alice, but the course name is English. So 3, Charlie. We only have 1 Charlie, which is social studies, and 4, David, which is physical education. So this is bringing out what is common to both of them. So that's actually how to do inner join in SQL. So let me show us another easier method. So let me copy this. So in SQL, we can use aliases. It makes things easier. Instead of writing all these students, courses, student again. So we can do we can make our students A, or you can write as A and make our courses as B. So that means everything here, all these students, you can make it A. All these students, you can make it A. You can place it with A. So here our courses is B. So all these courses, you can replace it as B. Okay. So this student here too, you can replace that as A. This courses here, you can replace it as B. So it's still going to give you the same results. So let's run it. So you can see still the same result. Another thing is, you don't need to, maybe not even put as. So we don't even put as. Once you write something like this and you leave a space and you write a letter, SQL understands that you are trying to create an alias. So from student, this A means as A. Inner join course means as B. So you can still run it. SQL understands. It's still going to give you the same result. So that's how to do inner join in SQL. I hope you've been able to gain one or two things. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye.